I found my semester abroad spot in a list of partner universities offered by the Frankfurt School, and I decided in Germany to go to Hong Kong in my first semester, and then in Hong Kong I later decided to go to the University of Melbourne in my second semester. The courses at the Hong Kong Baptist University were really interesting because we had a different viewing angle on the world. In Hong Kong we are in the heart of Asia. Therefore, everything was more focused on Asian projects, like the Silk Road project that is currently pursued by China. I traveled to many different locations after my semester abroad. Because I had 2 months' time until I had to study in Melbourne, so I traveled to China, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, Cambodia, Singapore, and then I finally landed in Australia. One day in Hong Kong, we went to the Suicide Cliff, then we climbed up the mountain and we had to go on that cliff, and then I was flying around my drone there, and on my way back from the cliff, I almost fell down. It was a really exciting moment for everybody. In Australia, we went for a 5 days boat diving tour, which was really interesting. I am not a professional diver. I learned diving there on this boat, which was really cool. One of the most valuable tips for the semester abroad is probably try and experience everything you can. You have this one chance, this one opportunity to experience new cultures, also new food and new environments. So always be open for new things.